on is, this customer is the son of another customer. What we did 2 gates. He's recommended, obviously, to his son. We've come round, we've done the driveway gate, which looks absolutely beautiful, and we've also done the fencing as well. With the driveway gate, if you come this way, this is your master, this is your slave, and what you do is you only open this one at a time if you're only going in and out. Okay. Obviously you can open both, but you always use this one first. Then come inside. What we've done is we've obviously done all the fencing along here, but with this you can padlock it and put you can put the padlock on. Okay, opens lovely. That's nice and tight, so if the wind's coming along, it's not going to shake it about so much because it's nice and tight. So that's how we like it. Everything's all treated wood, but like I say to all our customers, you've got to treat it. At the moment, production-wise, you're looking at about 3 weeks. It's coming near Christmas, so we are advising our customers you've got roughly about a week left. The reason being is because we've taken on 5 or 6 more jobs. We've already got 2 weeks booked in the system already, so that makes it 3 weeks. So they've only got roughly one week to book a job in. But yeah, we're doing really well. Last year we did the same. This year we've beaten last year's etc. So it's looking good for this year. So we're doing good. What do you reckon to the gate?
Yeah, it's one of the best, isn't it? We're the best in Lincolnshire.
We are one of the best in
We're
Lincolnshire.
nominated for the best in Lincolnshire, so it must be the best in Lincolnshire.
I think so, don't you?
I do. I do. It's beautiful. Like me.
She's daft, isn't she?
Freezing.
It's absolutely freezing today. So we're in Oakham today, and we've already done the posts. So we just come in just to fit these, and then we're good to go. I don't know if you can see that. It's right. So we've done single gate, driveway gate, and an infill. We've done the infill slightly down because the ground is going up, so it's just slightly going down, which is good because then it matches the top of the post. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Do you know what? I should do this for a living. What do you reckon? So that's lovely. Anyway, that's nice. That's beautiful. So the customer wants us to put a letterbox.
Cheeky bugger.
Do we charge for that or what? Now we're helping out.
Yeah.
So yeah, and that's that one done. It's taken us a few hours because we've had a bit of messing around, haven't we?
Yeah.
But other than that, all good. The van, fantastic. It is so big inside. I'm 6'4" and it doesn't touch my head. So I can get all my gates in there, which is good. How are we doing? You doing alright?
Excellent job.
We've got a lovely customer here, haven't we? She's made us so many nice coffees. Such a...
That's not straight.
It's not? Oh, it's going up, it's going up. Yeah, she's doing a fantastic job.
Yeah, 3 coffees.
3 or 4.
Well, the least I can do.
Yeah. Got a beautiful view here, haven't you?
Absolutely.
So how did you see us then? on Facebook or was it YouTube?
I saw you on Facebook.
Did you?
I did, but I'll be sharing your YouTube.
Oh, bless you. So, well, was that price okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah?
A very reasonable price, especially for all the work that you're doing
Yeah.
in the snow.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. And what do you reckon to it so far?
It looked absolutely beautiful.
That's okay then. So you're going to be a happy customer, yeah?
I certainly am. You make an awesome team.
Sorry?
You make an awesome team.
Did you hear that?
Do you want to tell them about the church?
About what?
The church, that information that they told us about the church.
Yeah, I didn't know this. Well, I don't think you can see it from there. There's a line going all the way from the top all the way down to the bottom. And apparently it's copper. So if lightning strikes, it doesn't do damage to the church.
Yeah.
But the electricity goes to the floor.
No.
I've never known that.
That's really interesting.
Yeah. And your
I didn't
husband-
know that.
Yeah, your husband told me that. Yeah, no, that's really good. I didn't know. Lovely. Beautiful.
Look at that.
Yeah.
A secure gate.
Secure gate, got to put the handle on now. And the Sasko thing. Coin. Okay, right, next one is this one. Not rub it out. Okay, you alright? Ah. It's like a mud bath, isn't it?
It is.
Look lovely.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. The customer wanted it this way because he wants a nice side that side, which is fair enough, isn't it?
Yeah. He's putting fencing down there, isn't he? So it looks strange now, but it looks
Secure.
yeah.
Looks nice. It's all nice and level with the spirit level, which is good. He's been a very nice guy, hasn't he?
He's a lovely man.
Yeah. So he made us nice coffees. He's even asked about the toast.
Yeah.
He's seen it on Facebook, hasn't he? We have a Facebook channel page,
Yeah.
Gate Man. So if you want to have a look, comment, like. Instagram, what's that Instagram page?
Don't know. We don't really do Instagram and TikTok,
really.
do we? Struggle.
Gate Man 74 or something like that. We're on TikTok as well. TikTok,
Yeah.
aren't we?
Facebook is mainly.
Well, we have a lot of word of mouth, so we don't really need to advertise that much. Friends and family, next door neighbours see us, you know, things like that. And then Facebook, which is good. Another beautiful installation there. Looks beautiful. So yeah, this is all done. There's my new van look. Should we sign write it or not? I don't know. So I haven't got the keys with me, but I think we should start putting security locks on. Easy to fit. Just another extra security. Just do it once we've done it. Just do it after. Right, I need angle binder.
Morning.
Hey, Hey, morning, how are we doing? So we're in Billinay today. We're in Billinay just outside Sleaford, between Sleaford and Tattershall Lakes. Yes, lovely and sunny today. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
How are you, Money?
Okay, what are you doing?
Well, I'm doing a gate, a big gate and a small little side panel here. So that's what we're doing. So it's all good.
What's that, an extra grey hair you got?
About 10, I think.
It was your birthday Saturday, wasn't it?
Yeah. I had a good one, did you?
No?
We had the same birthday, didn't we?
Yeah.
So that's good.
Yeah, you look a year older now.
Say again?
You look a year older now.
I definitely am now.
Bus pass soon, isn't it?
Bus pass soon? Yeah, I think so.